Hi everyone. So here's my comic strip. I did mine on the red words relating to Piaget's 4 stages of development. And so I started here on my first panel with baby Huey, who was holding on to a little red balloon, and it floated away from him. It got away from him, and it went into another room. So let me read you what I wrote. It says, "Hello, I am baby Huey. My balloon floated into another room. I can see it, but I know it's there because I can't see it, rather, but I know it's there because I'm in the sensory motor state and know about object permanence. I also have a schema and know if I cry hard enough, mom will come running to get me my balloon." Wah! So this stage of object permanence, I don't know for those of you who are parents, if you ever played peekaboo with your child, but I used to do that. I used to throw a blanket over myself and then bring it down and yell peekaboo, and my kids always thought it was the funniest thing. Now, if that child has not reached this stage that Piaget calls the sensory motor stage, they will not know, they will think that when you have the blanket over you that you've disappeared completely. So in this case, baby Huey already has reached that stage, and he knows the balloon even though he can't see it, it's in another room. And when I mentioned schema, the way it was described, it's sort of like files or index cards filed in your brain of past experiences, and they can be pulled as point of references to deal with another life experience you're having. So it'll be relatable. So baby Huey's already had experience where he knows when he needs something, mom, all he has to do is cry really loud and mom comes running to him. So he's pulling that little file and saying, I know what I have to do in this case to get my balloon because in past, mom, when I do this, mom has come and get me and will get me my balloon. Anyway, so on the second panel, there is a young boy of 6.5 years old, and it says, "Hello, I'm 6.5 years old. I'm in the pre-operational stage and enjoy playing superhero with my friends." So during this stage, children are starting to play imaginary games together. A lot of the superhero playing fireman, policeman, police, whatever. They're doing a lot of imagination play. However, they're still very much in the egocentric type self or me-centered rather. And so that's probably where you would see a lot of fights going on. I know when I was younger, I used to fight with my sister. We'd fight over who would be Wonder Woman. And I'd always win because I'm oldest. Anyway, so this is what you see. A lot of that type of play and imagination. The third panel, it says, "Hello, I'm 9 years old. According to Piaget, I'm in the concrete state. I love playing with Legos and building cool stuff." So children at this age are starting already to pick up complex things to do, although they're not really thinking in the abstract and solving abstract or looking for abstract solutions to abstract ideas. But you will see them start to get very creative with their Legos, building blocks, and it's the beginning stages of moving on to even deeper thinking or processing. Now I'll go to my last panel, and it says, oh, I'm hiding over here. Let me drag down this little guy. Well, not little. This is a preteen boy. So I made him look like my son because my son wears glasses and he's 12 and he's very much in this stage. It's this little boy saying, "What's up?" That's the way my son speaks, actually. It says, "I am 12 and I'm in the formal operational state. So of course I know everything." Yeah, they think they do. "I'm also the best at solving my Rubik's Cube." So at this stage, they're already trying to solve things with abstract, they're trying to solve abstract ideas or have solutions to abstract things. And so you will see a little more thinking, processing going on. And it's actually the fourth stage that Piaget speaks about, the formal operational state. So there you have it. Here's my comic strip. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks.